We say SmartStrand Forever Clean is the softest, most durable, easiest to clean carpet on the planet, and we wanted to prove it. So we invited Blake, a 2-ton Rhino, to live on it for 2 weeks. We installed SmartStrand carpet and a competitor nylon in Blake's barn to put them to the ultimate test.
My name is Kristen Rocky, and I am a Rhino keeper. Blake really enjoys the carpet. That's one of his favorite things to do, is lay on the carpet. Even after eating breakfast, he'll actually go over and lay back on it, waiting to be let out into the yard. He really likes it.
After 2 weeks, both SmartStrand and the competitor carpet were covered in dirt and grime.
I've never seen anything like this before. My name's Don Miller, and I own Expert Carpet Cleaning. I would think this is probably one of the toughest challenges I've ever come up against. You have a 2-ton animal rolling around and grinding the mud and dirt deep into the fibers. So that's what made me a little bit nervous.
We gave the carpet a professional cleaning using only eco-friendly soap and water. 3 passes with the cleaning wand. No harsh chemicals.
I was super impressed, and I've seen some pretty bad stuff in my time. It was surprisingly easy given the circumstances. I've never seen a carpet like that before do that.
The competition didn't even come close. While the nylon couldn't come clean, SmartStrand was cleaner with each pass of the cleaning wand, staying true to its original quality and color. How did SmartStrand perform so well? 2 words: fiber innovation. SmartStrand has permanent stain protection built into the fiber's core, plus unbeatable soil protection that repels dirt and grime. Other carpets only have temporary stain and soil protection that must be reapplied over time. Additionally, SmartStrand's innovative carpet fibers are engineered at the molecular level to resist matting and crushing, so it bounces back and maintains its beauty over time, even after a Rhino lived on it.
I would definitely recommend SmartStrand. Very impressive. Yeah, very impressive.